Guess you have to go in from the back. Okay. Someone's in there, actually. Okay, so you do have to go in. Okay, y'all. We are in Raton, New Mexico. I think I have to go in the back way to even get to the car wash. Yeah, we're at another place called Hometown Car Wash again. Okay, I think this is how we get in here. How do you... Okay, there it is. Okay, yeah, I think that's the only way to get in here. Car wash use only, yeah. But yeah, we have an old Vector in here. The GOAT Belanger machine. 16 for the top. Oh, I don't have enough quarters for that. And the bottom is 14. Your only wash options are 14 and 16. That's actually a bit much for one of these. That was, okay, a lot more expensive than what I thought, to be honest. I have to use my card on this one. Hey, your wash options are over there. On the right. It's a pretty good wash, at least. Please select package before adding payment. Yep. You'll do the 16.
Please add payment for your selection.
Oh, there's a tap to pay thing. Okay. It's a little easier to reach than swiping it sometimes. Did it not go? Now I'm a little confused. It's a tap card. I hope it doesn't charge me, but it doesn't seem to work. I'm gonna try and swipe. Yeah, now it says verifying card, so the tap doesn't work. And now it says approved.
Please select your wash package now.
I already did.
You have purchased the gold wash. You may enter the wash if it is ready.
I selected the package first, and then I did my card. Maybe because the tap thing didn't work. I swiped my card and then hit the payment button. But I mean, it works the other way around, so it doesn't really. That doesn't really need to be there anyway. Those dryers sound nice.
The wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car wash.
But the entrance sign still says wait.
The wash is now ready. Please drive in slowly following the entrance sign on the car
But that
wash.
still says wait, so I don't know what... Okay, that's a little unclear there. Okay, those probably don't work. Old Vector's branded signage too. Machine just jiggled. Maybe he has to wait till the thing's out. Okay, there we go. I might be getting a little close to him, but I just don't want the car wash to time out either. At least this one has a virtual treadle. Okay, any second now. This guy was taking a while. Sure. Okay, I feel like the sensor's right there. I can back up. This seems very far forward. That's strange. Maybe... What if the things reactivate? If I like... No? Oh, there we go. I think he was getting it confused with the other car. Alright. Man. Good old school Belanger setup. Finally got a car wash. Filmed in Mexico, or New Mexico now. Pff, Mexico. I don't think that'll happen anytime soon. That high pressure sounds weak. But yeah, it is high pressure. Tri-foam. It always takes a second to get going on these old machines. Okay. The tri-foam's trying to work. Someone else is behind me now. It says this is high pressure. It sounds so weak. Pretty much all Belanger touchlesses have weak high pressure cycles though. That sounded nice. Oh, something else. Another great air cannon dryer startup. Not too bad. Seems like an okay wash. Ones are the real meat and potatoes after this, though. Well, alright, thank you all for watching. Hope you all enjoyed. That'll be it.